The internet has revolutionized how we work and earn. Gone are the days when a 9-to-5 job was the only option. Today, countless opportunities exist to earn money online, offering flexibility and the potential for significant income. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for additional income streams, the online world has something for everyone. The first step to unlocking your online earning potential is to identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What skills do you possess? Answering these questions will guide you towards online ventures that align with your interests and expertise. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or social media marketing, identifying your niche allows you to focus your efforts and target the right audience. Once you've identified your niche, it's crucial to assess your skills and identify areas for improvement. The online world is competitive, and continuous learning is key to staying ahead. Take online courses, attend webinars, or seek mentorship opportunities to enhance your existing skills and acquire new ones. Remember, the more you invest in yourself, the greater your earning potential. Finding your hustle is not just about making money. It's about pursuing your passions, gaining financial independence, and designing a lifestyle you love. The journey may have its challenges, but with dedication, perseverance, and the right strategy, you can turn your online endeavors into a lucrative and fulfilling reality. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of online earning. Freelancing platforms have emerged as a popular and accessible way to earn money online, connecting businesses and individuals with a global pool of skilled professionals. These platforms have revolutionized the way we work, offering opportunities that were once limited by geography and traditional employment structures. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or virtual assistant, there's a freelancing platform out there for you. These platforms cater to a wide array of professions, ensuring that no matter your skill set, you can find a niche that suits your expertise and interests. These platforms act as intermediaries, providing a secure and structured environment for freelancers and clients to connect, collaborate, and complete projects. They offer tools for project management, secure payment systems, and dispute resolution services, making the freelancing process smoother and more reliable for both parties. One of the most well-known freelancing platforms is Upwork, which boasts a vast user base and a wide range of project categories. Upwork's extensive network allows freelancers to find projects that match their skills and interests, from short-term gigs to long-term contracts. From writing and editing to web development and graphic design, Upwork offers diverse opportunities for freelancers of all skill levels. Whether you're just starting or have years of experience, Upwork provides a platform to showcase your talents and connect with potential clients. Another popular platform is Fiverr, known for its gig-based system where freelancers offer their services starting at $5. Fiverr's unique approach allows freelancers to create specific service offerings known as gigs, which clients can browse and purchase directly. Fiverr is an excellent option for beginners looking to build their portfolio and gain experience. The platform's low entry barrier makes it accessible for those new to freelancing, providing a space to hone skills and gather client feedback. Signing up on these platforms is typically straightforward, requiring you to create a profile, highlight your skills and experience, and set your rates. A well-crafted profile can significantly impact your success, as it serves as your first impression to potential clients. A compelling profile is crucial to attract clients, so showcase your best work, obtain client testimonials, and highlight your unique selling points. Including a diverse portfolio and positive reviews can help build credibility and trust with prospective clients. When setting your rates, research industry standards and consider your experience level. Competitive pricing can help you attract clients initially, but as you build your reputation, you can adjust your rates to reflect your growing expertise and value. Freelancing offers numerous benefits, including flexibility, control over your work schedule, and the ability to work from anywhere in the world. This freedom allows you to balance work with personal commitments and even travel while maintaining your career. However, it's essential to approach freelancing with professionalism and dedication. Treat your freelancing career with the same seriousness as a traditional job, ensuring that you meet deadlines, communicate effectively, and deliver high-quality work consistently. Meet deadlines, communicate effectively with clients, and consistently deliver high-quality work to build a strong reputation and secure repeat business. Building long-term relationships with clients can lead to ongoing projects and referrals, further enhancing your freelancing career. With hard work, persistence, and a strategic approach, freelancing can become a lucrative and rewarding career path. By continuously improving your skills, staying updated with industry trends, and maintaining a professional attitude, you can achieve long-term success and financial stability in the freelancing world. The rise of e-commerce has opened up exciting opportunities for entrepreneurs to establish online businesses without the need for large upfront investments or inventory management. This digital revolution has democratized the business landscape, allowing anyone with a computer and an internet connection to start their own venture. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a newcomer, the e-commerce world offers a level playing field. Two popular models that have gained significant traction are print-on-demand and dropshipping. These models have revolutionized the way products are sold online, making it easier than ever to launch a business with minimal risk and investment. These methods allow you to sell physical products online without handling inventory, packaging, or shipping. This means you can focus on other aspects of your business, such as marketing, customer service, and product development, without being bogged down by logistical challenges. Print-on-demand platforms like Printful and Printify allow you to create and sell custom-designed products, such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. These platforms provide a wide range of products to choose from, enabling you to cater to various niches and customer preferences. With print-on-demand, you simply upload your designs, and the platform handles the printing, packaging, and shipping when an order is placed. This seamless process allows you to scale your business quickly without worrying about the complexities of traditional manufacturing and distribution. This eliminates the need for you to hold any inventory, reducing your financial risk and simplifying the fulfillment process. By not having to invest in large quantities of stock up front, you can allocate your resources more efficiently and test different products without significant financial commitments. Dropshipping, on the other hand, involves partnering with a supplier who handles the inventory and shipping of products directly to your customers. This model allows you to offer a wide range of products without the need to manage physical stock, making it an attractive option for many entrepreneurs. You list the supplier's products on your website or online store, set your markup, and when a customer places an order, the supplier fulfills the order on your behalf. This hands-off approach to inventory management frees up your time to focus on other critical aspects of your business. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to create and manage your online store. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable templates, and a range of tools to help you build a professional-looking store without needing extensive technical knowledge. While Oberlo and Spocket streamline the dropshipping process by connecting you with reliable suppliers. These tools simplify the process of finding and managing suppliers, ensuring that your customers receive their orders promptly and efficiently. Both print-on-demand and dropshipping offer distinct advantages for aspiring e-commerce entrepreneurs. They provide flexible, low-risk ways to start and grow an online business, allowing you to test different products and markets without significant upfront costs. They eliminate the need for upfront inventory investments, reduce overhead costs, and simplify the fulfillment process, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your brand. By leveraging these models, you can build a scalable and sustainable business that adapts to changing market trends and customer demands. However, it's crucial to choose the right platform and suppliers, research your target market, and create high-quality products or source unique items to stand out in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Success in e-commerce requires a strategic approach, continuous learning, and a commitment to delivering value to your customers. Affiliate marketing has become a popular and lucrative way for individuals to earn passive income online by recommending products or services they believe in. This method allows you to monetize your online presence, whether you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media following. As an affiliate marketer, you partner with businesses and promote their offerings through your website, blog, social media channels, or email list. This partnership is mutually beneficial, as businesses gain exposure and sales, while you earn a commission for every successful referral. You earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. These links are tracked by the affiliate programs to ensure you get credit for the sales you generate. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity and low barrier to entry. You can start with minimal investment and scale your efforts as you grow. You don't need to create your own products, manage inventory, or handle customer support. This means you can focus entirely on marketing and content creation, which are the core activities that drive your affiliate marketing success. Your primary focus is on driving traffic to your affiliate links and generating sales for the businesses you partner with. This can be achieved through various strategies, such as SEO, social media marketing, email campaigns, and paid advertising. Numerous affiliate networks and programs are available, such as Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate, offering a wide range of products and services to promote. These platforms provide the tools and resources you need to succeed, including tracking, reporting, and payment processing. When choosing affiliate products or services, it's essential to select those that align with your niche, interests, and audience. This ensures that your promotions are relevant and valuable to your followers, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Authenticity is key in affiliate marketing, as people are more likely to trust your recommendations if they perceive you as genuine and knowledgeable. Share your personal experiences and honest opinions to build credibility and trust with your audience. Create valuable content, such as reviews, tutorials, or comparisons, that showcase the benefits of the products or services you promote. High-quality content not only attracts more visitors, but also helps in converting them into buyers. Affiliate marketing requires patience, consistency, and a strategic approach to be successful. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and effort, it can become a significant source of income. Focus on building a loyal audience, providing valuable content, and choosing the right affiliate partners. Engage with your followers, respond to their queries, and offer solutions to their problems through the products you recommend. By leveraging your platform and influence, you can earn a significant income by recommending products and services you believe in and helping businesses reach their target audience. The more you grow your audience and refine your strategies, the more potential you have.